The orthopedic team in La Crosse has specialists that are trained in all joint replacements. That includes shoulder replacement, hip replacement, knee replacement, even other small joint replacements. This is a fantastic offering to have right here locally in our community.
We take care of all individuals who are active, whether that's in sports, recreational activities such as hiking, gardening, doing things outside, or even people who get hurt at work.
We see a host of conditions in all age groups. You don't have to be just a sports star to see an orthopedic surgeon. The majority of my patients are industrial athletes as well as patients that need joint replacement. The Mayo Clinic Health System in La Crosse is unique in the fact that we have Mayo Clinic quality right here in La Crosse, as well as a host of resources to include technology and staff members that are greatly experienced in orthopedic care.
Some of the surgeries we do very commonly are rotator cuff repair. We also take care of ACL and other knee injuries such as meniscus injuries. In addition, our team here works very hard to get people in same day or even next day for evaluation and care and initiate their treatment so we can get people healed as fast as possible.
We have fellowship trained specialists in joint replacement and sports medicine, as well as a host of therapy team members, non-operative sports members, athletic trainers, and a great staff that can host and take care of all patients in the area.
So no, sports medicine isn't only for athletes. It's a very common misconception, but we take care of all people who are active, whether they get injured in sports, injured in their own activities such as their hobbies, or they get injured at work. We take care of people that are active in all aspects of life. So Mayo Clinic Health System here in La Crosse is the top choice for sports medicine care.
Now with robotic surgery, we can add the technology to the pre-existing skills that surgeons possess to try to improve and get the best quality outcome for the patient.